Hey, KW 5150. As you can see, my fog lights, one is out. So I'm going to replace that today. And I'm going to use some Sylvania SilverStars. Yeah, that right there. And because at the place, he told me put this stuff in there that's supposed to keep moisture out of the bulbs and protect it or whatever. So I'm going to go to work right quick. Stay tuned. Alright, so first thing I do is, this is the light right here. Just remove these clips, pull mine off to the side a little bit, move the electric wire, and rotate it to your left. You want to try not to touch the bulb. So now, placing the bulb. Alright, and that's that. It was actually pretty easy. KW 5150. Alright, so we reach up, locate the clips. Alright, so this time I just took it loose first. Alright, so see, it's a clip right here. You gotta pull that one down. It's actually different on the other side, which is weird, but push that down and then I can remove the bulb like so. You gotta be careful not to touch the bulbs with your hands. Place it on. Boom, turn it. Connect the wire. All done. Alright, mission accomplished. Got a working bulb over here, working bulb over there. This is the one that was blown, and actually my other one was still pretty good, so I'll probably save that one. You never know, I might need another one. Anyway, that was it. KW 5150. Changing out the fog lights, fog bulbs, not the lights, on a 2014 Toyota Tacoma, baby. Only truck to have, unless you can afford a Tundra. Hey.